afternoon, coming to you from Alabama. Okay, my lessons follow the Alabama course of study for 5th and 6th grade math. Now, some of this will tie into when I get further along 7th grade math, but right now this is pretty much 5th and 6th grade. And as always, if you have questions, please put them in the comments, or if you want me to do something sooner, because I'm kind of going by the way things are taught in school. But if you have questions about anything with the course of study in Alabama for 5th or 6th grade math, send me your problems. I'm here to help you. I've got many years of experience in teaching. Okay, the greatest common factor, okay, is the GCF. Find the prime factorization of each number. Circle numbers that are like for both numbers. I know numbers keeps appearing. If only one like number is found, that is the greatest common factor. If there are two or more like numbers, multiply them. This product is the greatest common factor. If you cannot circle any numbers, then there are no common factors other than 1, so the greatest common factor is 1. Okay, let's get to some numbers. Let's do 10 and 15. And I haven't been anywhere to get me something to hold my camera. That's why it kind of shifts, and I'm sorry about that. Okay, I always get my students to be very organized on their work and show the prime factors of each number. I want factor trees. And if you recall from my previous video, it doesn't matter which numbers you start with, which factors. I just like to put them in order. These just have 2 factors, so they're good. Okay, notice they have a 5 in common. Go back to your rules. If only one like number is found, that is the greatest common factor. Your greatest common factor then is 5. Do not multiply these 2 numbers. The circled number counts as one like factor. Okay, if we take 12 and 18, and you can have more than 2 numbers. So if you were adding more than 2 fractions or mixed numbers. Okay, 12, 3 times 4. 3 is prime, so 1 line. 4 is composite, 2 times 2. Okay, when I write them up here, I'm going to put them in order from least to greatest. It makes it easier to find the common factors. Okay, the number 18, 2 times 9 or 3 times 6, it does not matter. Just don't use the number 1. Okay, so it's 2 times 3 times 3. You can always check these out because 3 times 2 is 6, times 2 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6, times 3 is 18. Circle the common factors. They have a 2 and a 3. Go back to your rules. If there are 2 or more numbers that are alike, multiply them. This product is the greatest common factor. So 2 and the